How to make Southern-style sweet tea with Danica Kemp Ava. Here are the following ingredients needed. A pitcher of water to boil. A clear glass bowl large enough to hold the hot tea. 1 cup of sugar. 4 bags of Lipton tea. A pitcher filled to 1/3 with ice. Make sure the pitcher can hold at least 1 gallon. And a very long wooden spoon. Be sure to also have a small glass to discard hot items like the tea bags. Step 1. Boil the water. Step 2. Add 1/3 of ice to your pitcher. Step 3. Add the cup of sugar on top of the ice in your pitcher and set the pitcher aside. Step 4. Remove the tags from your Lipton tea bags. You should have 4 bags and place them in the large glass bowl. Step 5. Discard. Step 6. Remove the boiling water. And Step 7. Pour the boiling water into the bowl on top of the 4 Lipton tea bags. Step 8. Let the tea steep for at least 10 minutes. Step 9. Gather the prepared pitcher. Step 10. Remove the tea bags from your glass bowl to be discarded later. Step 11. Grab oven mitts and pour the hot tea into the prepared pitcher. Step 12. Grab a second pitcher of cold water and pour on top of the hot tea in the prepared pitcher all the way to the brim. Step 13. Grab a long wooden spoon, mix the sugar at the bottom of the prepared pitcher in an upward swirling motion to assure it's evenly distributed in the pitcher. The best part is step 14. Pour that tea into a glass of ice and enjoy this wonderful Southern treat.